7-day forecast.
Baby Einstein, baby Beethoven, ceremony of fun, play, repeat, play, languages, bars, material. Discard cards, public shows.
But diabetes threatened to take that all away. In Dexcom G7, Gina learned how different foods affect her sugar levels in real time, so she doesn't have to choose between the foods that she loves and her health.
Where's the doggy?
DR Power Equipment gives you the power to do more. More power. More versatility. More features. And more choice. Get ready to do more this season with your DR trimmer mower. Scan the code or visit drpower.com today to shop the sale or find your local dealer.
And science, and today we're talking about the increasing frequency of extreme weather events, define what makes an extreme event, and show some examples, including an historic freeze, a major nor'easter blizzard, and also a catastrophic flooding event, just a few of the types of weather that can change places forever. And joining us now to discuss this is AccuWeather Chief Meteorologist Jonathan Porter. John, always good to have you on the show.
Good to be with you, Jeff, as always.
Yeah, it's a good time talking to you here. And since you've been here at AccuWeather, since we both graduated in 2004,